Good morning, everyone. We are finally here at Skagway. It is 7:30 a.m. and they are letting people off the ship now. So we're gonna go off the ship, explore Skagway for a bit before our dog sledding excursion. There are 3 things that we want to do. Number 1, pet a dog sled dog. One of the dog sledding dogs. 2, try the Klondike bread, which is like this huge piece of bread with sugar and cinnamon. It's like a churro. And 3, hopefully we get a great cup of coffee. Let's go! So you do need to take a bus into town. So just keep that in mind if you have an excursion with a third party. Of course, if you're doing a tour with Princess or the cruise line itself, you should be okay. But in our case, we got a tour through Alaska Tours. And so we're meeting them in town at 11 a.m. All right, we were gonna take the bus, but we were just told that we could just walk 2 blocks into town.
We just walked 2 blocks from our Ruby Princess cruise ship and we're already in town.
It literally was only like a 3-minute walk from the ship.
So we're gonna go ahead and check out the shop.
You get into town, you'll find a bunch of shops, and the prices are very fair. Great deals, and they accept US dollars. Before you decide to buy stuff on a cruise ship where it says Alaska, consider waiting till you get on board first. What's so neat is this town looks like they've really preserved the character of it. It's very classic feel. And then beyond those buildings are beautiful mountains with snowy tops, and then a bunch of green trees, very green. We're walking around, it's crazy because it's similar to yesterday's experience where you just want to look left and right, not only because it's our first time, but everywhere you look, it's almost like picture perfect. This husky's name is Sky, and Sky owns the shop, is that right?
Seems like it.
Yeah.
Sky is the owner of this shop. Dog-friendly shop. We just got finished visiting an Iditarod shop, and they have sled dogs?
Yes.
Sled dogs and puppies in there. They kind of teach you about the sport of Alaska, which is mushing. That's cool.
Great morning to come see our show at 10:30.
This shop is pretty busy, but it's a nice and cozy one, and it looks like all the locals go here too.
Yeah.
A bunch of like local friends are like saying, "What's up? What's up? What's up?" I got an iced Alaskan butterbeer latte. So let's see if it's good. Got Doughboy, drinks.
You like it?
Ooh, it's good. It does not taste like water or milk. It's a nice, strong coffee flavor. I think Roman's gonna think it's strong.
I like butterbeer.
Oh.
It's not not too strong.
Let's try the Doughboy together. It's just a deep fried piece of flatbread with some cinnamon sugar. If you like churro, you're gonna like this. It's definitely a shareable treat though.
Yeah.
For us six, that one is perfect.
Yeah.
Over a cup of coffee, perfecto. The Doughboy and the coffee shop are right next to each other, so a great pairing. The nice thing about today is there's only 2 ships at port so far. And so the town is actually not overly crowded, and so it makes for a pleasantly spacious and easy experience walking around. We didn't feel like we were fighting through crowds. Let's see if that is the same for the rest of the ports. Anyways, off to dog sledding we go.
I could do the same 51st dates if they all went like this. Coffee in the car, sushi under stars, running around the streets like kids.
Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me.
We just took a 30-minute bus ride up to this place, and then we're gonna take another shuttle of some sort, and I'll show you what that is, to get even higher. Is it like 800 feet into the mountains? So pretty nice weather, and so far so cool.
Restrooms to the left if you have to use it. It's
Okay.
about an hour and a half till we come back down.
Okay.
Once everybody's done, we'll hang out by those red trees.
Okay, thank you. I think I got pooped on by a bald eagle. Let's just go with bald eagle. It sounds cooler.
It sounds cool, yeah, I agree.
And when you get pooped on by a bird, I guess it's lucky.
Every time we touch, colors start to rush up and down the borderline. Just want this to last, hope you say it back, I don't wanna.
Do a quick practice cheer. Let's hear those cheers on 3. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. Y'all are naturals at this. My groups always have more fun though, so I'm not surprised. We're cheering for these dogs.
Wow.
Guys are all gonna stick together.
Okay. They are super excited, these dogs. There's so many. These dogs are so excited. We're gonna take a dog sledding excursion right now. And it's a dog sled ride. And it's for 1 whole mile, right?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes, yes.
Team of dogs, look at this. We'll get to meet them afterwards too. Wow. Whoa! Whoa!
They know where to go.
Wow. That is so cool. Wow.
Morning to the night, oh baby. I go love it till it's light up, baby. And from the morning to the night, oh baby. Me, I go love it till it's light up, baby. Why did you move out last time? When you thought that I was lying.
Very high energy.
Yes, very good, very good.
Take your freedom, girl.
We can pet?
Yeah, you can pet him. Just the Athena, she's shy.
This one?
Yeah, so Steve's shy. You can pet him. She's
Oh.
okay, I guess. She just is weird with crowds. Hello. That's Snickers. She's very friendly.
The cool thing is you can pet the doggies after their sled ride, and that puppy is shy, right? But this one is cute, enjoying my petting. Ooh, yes! All right, overall, a pretty amazing experience. Petting the dogs at the end, riding the sleds, watching these dogs haul us around.
I know.
Now
They're very strong.
Now we're gonna go back to the base camp, and we're going to get to pet 8 sled puppies or future musher dogs.
Yes.
All right, we made a brief stop here at the Eagle's Nest Overlook. I think you'll be able to see how big an eagle's nest actually looks like. The overlook, or what is it?
The
No. This is what the view looks like
Yes.
from here. It's very nice. Look at that.
And if you see these paws,
They're planted. Wow.
withstand like
or 7. I can toss out 7. And but there are a lot more than 7 of you guys here.
This is probably one of the highlights of this excursion, which is petting and carrying
so cute.
a puppy. Wow.
So cute.
Wow.
Oh, she's snug. Aw.
We are here at Skagway Brewing Company, the restaurant. Skagway Brewing Company, and our tour guide actually recommended this place. He said the drinks are good, but the food is also pretty good here. So waited for 30 minutes, and hopefully it's good.
Want a snack?
They make their own root beer
Oh, sorry,
here.
am I in the way? Oh, no, no.
Order it. They'll serve it in a 14-ounce mug, as you just saw. And I just tried it. It's pretty good. For the flight,
Because I like root
a beer that they brew here in Alaska, or specifically in Skagway. And we ordered some wings. Because I'm running out of space and memory, I'll just let you know at the end if we enjoyed it or not.
It has like a hint of lemon flavor or like lemon pepper flavor, but different kinds of flavors intertwined. I would say it's like you get more of like the burnt toasty flavor. So
Okay.
you do need like sauce with it.
Our review of the food. The wings, they were okay. They had a little flavor, but they were not lacking in how juicy they were. They were very juicy. The chili, on the other hand, I'd recommend if you see loaded fries or the beer cheese, or even just a cup of chili, try it, because their chili is pretty good here. And their root beer is made in-house and is pretty delicious. And I was impressed with their flight of beer, because their beer was really easy to drink and it definitely packs a punch. It didn't rain
I mean,
today.
we looked at the weather app. I looked at it a month ago. I looked at it a week, and then today said it was going to rain between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Basically, that was our whole excursion, but it didn't rain at all, which was nice. We were prepared with our rain jackets and rain pants, but it ended up being a nice day despite the cold, but manageable if you're wearing layers.
That concludes our time here in Skagway. We're gonna head back to the ship. We have 2 princess ships ported here in Skagway.
360, wanna bring it back from the beginning. Every time we touch, colors start to rush up and down the borderline. Just want this to last, hope you say it back. I don't wanna say goodnight, 'cause you make me wanna